Okay guys, so quiz time, right? Let's take a look at this mineral and tell me what it is. What's the first thing you're going to do?
And check its property.
Check its properties. Knowing that quartz and calcite are the most common minerals, what's the first test you're going to perform?
The glass test.
Okay, let's check out the glass one.
It's not
Not harder, so what is it not?
quartz.
Okay, next test.
Strictly, right?
Is that gonna...
no, we use
There you
Those
go, and
first,
what is
right?
the acid test?
there's hydrochloric acid
Yep, and what does it test?
for effervescence.
Okay.
No.
No effervescence, so what is it not?
It is not calcite.
Calcite, right? So we're looking for smoking gun characteristics, not harder than glass, so it's not quartz, not effervescent, so it's not calcite. What's another good smoking gun characteristic? Magnet. Magnetic. What mineral is that?
I want to say magneto, but it's not.
Ooh, imagnetonite. What is it? Do you remember the name?
Magnetite.
Magnetite is correct. Very good. So we're going to do a couple more of these, and this is going to be how you guys are tested during your midterm for this material.